Yes, Sirski, guys. Here you got them right here. The BBC Ice Cream X Pharrell X NMD Human Race Running Dog, guys. This is one fire of a shoe, guys. You know, this was actually one of the last releases of 2021 for the Pharrell NMD lineup, guys. And I have to say that they really outdid themselves or outdone themselves when they made these shoes. The quality is top notch. Really a big fan of the NMD Pharrell, guys. Always been a big fan of them. However, thank God that I hit for these on the confirmed app, because $220 for a shoe that has absolutely no height is just too much bread. And the reason why, guys, is because right now, these shoes can be had for on GOAT in my size, which is a size 9, for $149. So prior to me actually doing the voiceover on this video, I actually sent my original pairs back to Adidas because I know they were gonna brick. And just because a shoe is a brick doesn't mean it isn't a great shoe, because it really is a great shoe, as you can see from these close-ups right here. But hey, I like saving money, guys. So you know what I did? I sent the shoes back. I knew they were gonna brick, but I wanted to go ahead and do a review of them. So now I'm gonna go back to GOAT, cop a pair of these for the $149, save myself about $100. Well, maybe about $60, give or take, with all the fees and everything. But still, if I wait longer, they're just gonna brick even more. Either way, I'm getting a great deal on a great pair of shoes. And as you're going to see, or you can see right now from the close-up, this is a beautiful shoe. I'm definitely feeling the way they actually raise the material up on the running dog on these shoes. Guys, this is great. So with that being said, guys, if you want them, head over to GOAT, get them for a steal, get them for a deal, guys. And we're gonna go ahead and get into some on-feet porn, so you can see how these shoes look on feet and how they can make your cipher complete, guys. And then we're gonna go on and I actually put together a dope outfit to go along with them, guys. So with that being said, let's get right into that on-feet porn, guys.